Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from this. Look at my bags, guys. Look at that under my eyes. Look at all that pigmentation on my skin. I'm going to show you guys how to get to this. So super flawless, natural, full glam beat using all drugstore products. I'm pretty sure I use all drugstore. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch. So I'm starting off with a nice moisturized skin. And guys, I'm featuring a new product. This is the Essence Tinted Primer, guys. I was super skeptic about this, but I'm going to show you guys just how flawless this product is. This is how it comes out. And because it's a primer, I'm going to focus it in my T-zone. So I'm going to apply it to my forehead first. And look at that flawless coverage, guys. It's not a full coverage, like it reminds me of a BB cream, but look at that. I was super shocked when I put it on for the first time. So I'm gonna focus it, like I said, in my T-zone, and I am placing it under my eyes where I have the dark circles as well, just so that, look at that. Do you guys see that? Like, I was shocked when I was doing this tutorial for you guys. So I decided to put this shit all over my face. Sorry for the language, guys. I decided to put it all over just to see how it will look. And look at it. Like, it just literally blurs out all of my imperfections. It is flawless, guys. One thing about it, though, it is drying. So I'll definitely recommend this for people who have oily skin. So yeah, here's me just applying it everywhere else to my skin. And I am putting it under my eyes. If you guys, like, I don't consider myself having much of a dark under eye, but look, as you guys could see, nothing is on my hands. Isn't that magic, guys? This is magic. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal. So I'm going to continue with my usual steps. I'm taking my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer, and I didn't need to put these in the places I'm putting it now, to be honest, but I just wanted that extra full coverage. So now I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and just blending that product out. And you want to make sure it's damp, guys, so that, of course, it blends out seamlessly. So I'm going to go in with my highlight concealer. This is my NYX Born to Glow concealer, and I'm just going to apply this to my T-zone, so everywhere that the light hits. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender as well. And I didn't want a super full coverage look today, guys. That's why I'm using my beauty blender. You guys already know beauty blenders will give you a more flawless, natural looking finish, whereas using a brush will give you a full coverage finish. But I'm going to show you guys, this will still look full coverage even though you are using your sponge. So here's me dancing and just loving my face. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my Maybelline loose setting powder in the, I believe it's the number 30 shade, and I'm just going to set all of my highlighted areas. I've had this product in my stash for the longest time, and I don't know why I haven't used it. It is thebomb.com, guys. If you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend the Maybelline loose powders. So I'm going in with the press powder by Maybelline and just a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to use this to just apply all over my face to set everything else. And this shade is my perfect match, so you guys are going to see everything is going to come together in the end. All right, and to contour, I'm taking my LA Girl pressed powder and a contour brush, and I'm slowly showing you guys how to contour. So you want to find or make that duck face and find where your cheekbones is. You're not going to place it directly where the crease is, but right above it, and that's going to basically give you that nice, sharp, contoured look, as you guys can see. So I don't know if I explained that properly, but you don't want to place it right where the indent is of your contour. You want to place it right above it. And then for your forehead, you want to avoid the circle, that little circle area right above your nose, because that's literally where I'm gonna have an in-depth video on contouring for you guys, but I'm gonna contour my nose as well, and I'm just using the brush for this. But guys, this is super flawless. I love how it came out. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, spray my face, set everything in place with my Catrice setting spray, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.